Welcome, and thank you for joining us today for our session focusing on Prime Day and a few simple best practices to ensure you make the most of the Amazon Prime Day holiday. My name is Corey, and I am part of the Seller University team. Our presenters today are Chris and Nick, and they work directly with sellers like yourselves on an everyday basis. One question that I'll just go ahead and answer right now before we jump in is we have not released the Prime Day dates yet, and that is for us on the line too. We are able to share that it will be in July, but have not been told any other additional information. So though we're not totally aware of when it will happen, we really are hoping that you'll walk away with an understanding of the general benefits of Prime Day, regardless of the type of seller you are and how many products that you offer. Hoping that you understand the importance of having high quality listings. We'll also touch a little bit on fulfillment methods, and then we'll talk through opportunities for growing your business. And again, we're focusing on this with like a Prime Day lens, but hope that you find these sort of general best practices useful for amplifying your success on Amazon long term. So with that, Nick, I will go ahead and turn it over to you to kick us off into the presentation.
Awesome. Thanks, Corey. So yeah, as Corey mentioned, I do work with sellers, mainly resellers on Amazon and the 3P area. And I help them optimize their accounts, listings, and get them involved with all the good programs we have to offer. So let's jump into it. What is Prime Day? So Prime Day is an annual event that offers deals to Prime members. For all sellers in the Amazon store, this represents a great chance to take advantage of listing optimization, coupons, FBA, and other tools that make sense for your business no matter where you are in your selling journey. So you might be asking yourself, why should I participate in Prime Day? Prime Day provides a tremendous growth opportunity for all selling partners. Prime members shopped more on Prime Day in 2021 than in any other year, purchasing more than 250 million items worldwide. Some of the best selling categories for Prime Day 2021 included tools, beauty, nutrition, baby care, electronics, apparel, and household products. In the 2 weeks prior to Prime Day, customers spent over $1.9 billion on more than 70 million small business products during the Spend 10, Get 10 promotion period. This was more than a 100% year-over-year increase in sales compared to the Prime Day October 2020 promotion. Participating in Prime Day gives you access to the high traffic event that this event brings. It's annual experience that allows you to take part in Amazon events, increase sales across your brand, and highlight products in search results. Let's talk more about the details. First, let's talk about deals, promotions, and coupons. Offering a great deal or attention-grabbing coupon during Prime Day can help you generate sales with increased traffic. We drive traffic through the Amazon homepage, plus television, print, online, and radio advertising. Promotions can help increase sales by offering appealing discounts to customers, promote your best-selling products, or reduce overstock to free up FBA storage when you take part in Prime Day. Prime Day also offers an opportunity to help improve the discoverability of your brand and products. And there's still time to create coupons and promotions that can run during Prime Day 2022. Products running as deals serve additional badging in the search results, helping customers find and boost offers. As a seller, how can I improve my chances of success during the event? Well, you can take advantage of advertising tools to capitalize on Prime Day traffic. When you advertise your products, you'll want to make sure that the listings are in good shape and your FBA inventory is well stocked. First, let's focus on listings and how to ensure you have high quality offerings on the Amazon store. Let's start with the product detail page and what it means to have a high quality listing. This is one of the easiest things you can do as a seller, making quality listings with as much detail as possible to give customers all the information they need to make a buying decision. And to best position your listing for increased sales conversion, put some thought into the details. Product detail pages are where customers make their buying decisions, and high quality listings make it easier to discover, evaluate, and purchase your products. Title, images, bullet points, descriptions, and keywords can all help you construct a page that converts. It all starts with offering a good product with a great title. The title is the first thing customers see. It also determines where your product will appear in search results. A concise, relevant title will drive the most traffic to your detail page. And it's okay to use descriptive titles. You have 200 characters to accurately represent your product, so be sure to add brand and product line information, a descriptive phrase, and attributes like material, color, and size. Remember, each word in your title is searchable on its own. And a good image is also key because it can really set your product apart. Choose images that are clear, easy to understand, and attractively presented. Be sure to follow the requirements in Seller Central and category style guides to avoid issues. Remember, your first image should be of high quality. It must be on a white background and fully show the product. This will be the image customers see when searching and browsing for your product. Perfect your bullet points to give customers a snapshot product overview. Bullets appear prominently on the detail page right next to your images, so focus on the most important product information here. And further down the detail page is the product description. This description is your chance to let customers imagine owning your product. To write an effective product description, put yourself in their shoes. What would you want to know? A clear and informative description can help customers make a buying decision. And be sure to include all of your product's details and unique benefits. Don't be afraid to make your descriptions engaging and even a bit personal. Customers love a good brand story here. And finally, help customers find your product in searches with the right keywords. Provide search terms that customers might use, and don't forget synonyms, spelling variations, or alternate names. So why put all this effort into optimizing your listings? It's all about giving customers a clear and compelling case to purchase your product. The right details can help you build your brand, increase sales, and attract new customers. So what about deals, promotions, and coupons? How do I make sure that I'm promoting the right products in the right way? Coupons and promotions are great tools for helping increase visibility for your products. You can apply coupons to your products to give your customers a dollar amount or percentage off discount. The associated coupon badge can grab attention and let customers know you're offering a discount. With promotions, you can apply a percentage off or buy one get one promotion for your products. The limited time offer provided by buy one get one promotions is a great way to increase customer attention. And deals allow you to feature your products on one of the most visited Amazon pages. To see if your products are eligible, hover over advertising and click deals to visit the deals page in Seller Central. And on this note too, I would like to say that for Prime Day, all of the deals sourcing has ended. So just keep that in mind. You can still be recommended for deals after Prime Day or potentially leading up to Prime Day. But for Prime Day itself, we have closed the sourcing for that. But just another great opportunity here to get in front of more customers. And with that, I will pass it off to Chris.
Thanks, Nick. Hey, everybody. My name's Chris. I work with Nick on the new seller services team. He helps specifically with resellers. I help specifically with brand owners. So we're getting a nice mix of different internal resources today. So yeah, thanks for the intro, Nick. So now that we've talked about listings and shipping options, let's discuss how you can make the most of your promotions or coupons on Prime Day. Our first tip is to use recommended ASINs. The recommendations update weekly, so don't wait to see if the product is eligible for Prime Day, as it could basically disappear the following week. So just try to be on it and checking each week. Next slide, please. So you always want to try to promote your top performing products. If they're selling well right now, it's really likely that they could do even better if you promote those. So running a promotion is your opportunity to appeal to Amazon customers. So we highly recommend that you focus on your top products to maximize your growth opportunities during Prime Day. Next slide. So remember to always use high quality images for your promotions. You want to ensure your images don't include text, logos, or watermarks that aren't part of the product themselves. If a promotion doesn't follow Amazon's product image requirements or isn't representative of the products within the promotion will be subject to cancellation. Finally, improve and optimize your product detail pages. Inspire Amazon customers to purchase your product. We talked about the use of bullet points and images earlier, but let's also touch on product details if you're a brand owner. If you're a brand owner, a great way to share your brand message and unique product benefits is through the use of A+ content. Next slide. So brand register sellers have additional options for influencing the display of their products, as well as helping drive conversion through A+ content. A+ content allows you to describe your products in greater detail using a brand story, text placements, and enhanced images. You can use these elements to proactively answer common customer questions, fully explain product benefits, and elaborate on what makes your brand special. A+ content also gives you more influence over the content on your brand's product detail pages. Even if you didn't create the product detail page, your updates and edits will be prioritized as the registered brand owner. You want to use A+ content to augment your product detail pages with enhanced product descriptions. These can include customer paragraph headers and images, unique image and text layouts, product comparison charts, and even bullet featured lists. A+ content can also include brand content. With brand content, you can also add carousel displays with full screen background images to your product detail page. Brand content can also include image and text cards and links to other products from the brand. Brand content appears in the form or in a From the Brand section on the product detail page. Brand owners in the Amazon store can use these features together to create branded experiences for their product detail pages. This can help promote brand awareness and loyalty while also driving sales within unique messaging. Thanks, Nick. So building a great listing makes a lot of sense. Now let's talk about your different shipping methods that are available to sellers like yourself. Next slide. So as an Amazon seller, you have two main options for fulfilling your orders. You can choose Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, to let Amazon fulfill your order, or you can fulfill your orders yourself, known as FBM, MFN, or self-shipping. With FBM, or Fulfillment by Merchant shipping, you handle the coordination of delivery, tracking information, and customer service with both your carriers and customers. You can choose the shipping options that work best for your account or use a combination of both. FBA enrolled products are eligible for Prime badging and shipping. We recommend inbounding Prime Day inventory early, several weeks prior to the event if possible. If you're new to FBA or have new to FBA products, you could qualify for the FBA New Selection Program or the New Seller Incentives Program, which just launched. With New Selection, eligible ASINs that are new to FBA can receive free monthly storage, removals, and return processing. New to FBA professional sellers have the perfect opportunity to take advantage of limited time savings on inbound transportation, storage, removals, and returns. When you enroll in New Selection, you can earn up to $300 in promotional clicks and shipment discounts from Amazon. Amazon can provide up to $100 of inbound transportation charges with Amazon partnered carriers, as well as $200 in sponsored ads promotional clicks. When you enroll, you'll gain access to the FBA New Selection dashboard. Dashboard details include your enrollment status and eligibility, enrolled ASINs, sales and savings, and if you're eligible, additional credit usage. Items fulfilled by Amazon are eligible for the Prime badge, making it one of the easiest ways to reach 200 million paid Prime members around the world. Now remember, certain categories have specific prep requirements, and it's important to learn about the specific requirements for any category you plan to list your products in. Incorrect prep and packaging can create issues with your inventory over time. Ensuring you've prepped your shipments correctly can help you avoid unexpected removal orders or loss of inventory. Now let's talk about pricing. So Prime Day is similar to the holiday season because you can take advantage of increased traffic by setting competitive prices. One of the benefits of setting a competitive price is the chance to earn the featured offer, or what we used to refer to as the buy box. The featured offer is the offer near the top of the product detail page that customers can click buy now or add to their shopping carts for purchasing later. The key feature of the Amazon website is that multiple sellers can offer the same product on the same listing. If more than one eligible seller offers a product, they may compete to earn the featured offer for that product. To give customers the best possible shopping experience, sellers must meet performance-based requirements to be eligible for featured offer placement. For many sellers, featured offer placement can lead to increased sales. Because updating your prices manually can be time-consuming, we recommend using the automated price tool to adjust your prices on SKUs in your catalog. This can help save time and help you with staying competitive. Automated pricing lets you create custom rules and select which specific SKUs each rule will apply to. You can even set a minimum and maximum price for each rule. And automate pricing will never set your price below the minimum or maximum threshold that you set. This can help you stay competitive within a profit margin that you're comfortable with and will help with increasing your likelihood of winning the featured offer. During this exciting time, it's more important than ever to maintain good account health. So you really want to pay attention to shipping and returns to ensure that the best experience for your customers. You'll want to monitor your account health metrics to best understand your performance in the Amazon store. You can find the account health page by clicking account health in the performance section of the Seller Central main menu. On this page, you'll find metrics measuring your customer service performance, policy compliance, and shipping performance. So now that we've discussed the possibilities and best practices, it's time to make sure that we understand how you can make the most of Prime Day. Really want to make sure that you have competitive pricing and that you're promoting your products through the different channels that we have available to sellers. And you want to make sure that you have the correct shipping settings set up as well. So with that being said, I'm going to hand it back over to Corey.
Awesome. So just a couple of minutes. Go ahead. Do you want to do one more, Chris?
No, you're good.
Okay. I was just going to say, we're nearing the top of the hour here. So special thanks to everyone for joining us. Thanks to Nick. Thanks to Chris for presenting and facilitating. And we hope to see you next time. Happy Thursday. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, everybody. Happy Thursday or Friday's Eve.
Friday Eve.